Good morning, ma'am. My name is Manju, MSc Math Honors 5 year integrated. Roll number 5516. We defined theorem. Any integer in Q of W not 0 or a unity is divisible by a prime in Q of W. Next, any integer in Q of W not 0 or a unity is a product of prime in Q of W. Then proof. Let xi is equal to a plus bw be an integer q of w where is not equal to 0 or unity. If xi is a prime in q of w, we have nothing to prove. Let xi be not prime, then we must have xi is equal to alpha 1 beta 1 for some alpha 1 beta 1 belongs to q of w such that n of alpha 1 greater than 1 and n of beta 1 greater than 1, and so we have 1 less than n of alpha 1 less than n of xi. Equation number first. If alpha 1 or beta 1 is a prime, the proof is completed. If alpha 1 is not a prime, then alpha 1 is equal to alpha 2 beta 2 for some alpha 2 beta 2 belongs to q of w such that n of alpha 2 greater than 1 and n of beta 2 greater than 1. Then we have 1 less than n of alpha 2 less than n of alpha 1 less than n of xi. We may continue this process as long as alpha r is not a prime, since n of xi greater than n of alpha 1 greater than n of alpha 2 greater than, and so on, is a decreasing sequence of positive rational integer. We must come to a prime alpha r, and then we have xi is equal to alpha 1 beta 1 is equal to alpha 2 beta 2 beta 1 is equal to, and so on, alpha r beta r and so on beta 1. Thus alpha r is a divisor of xi and ar is prime in q of w. Next, let xi is equal to a plus bw be an integer in q of w not equal to 0 or unity. If xi is itself a prime, then the result is true. We shall prove the result by induction on norm. We shall assume that the result is true for all integer in q of w with norm less than n of xi. Now, if xi is not a prime, then there exists a prime phi such that phi by xi or xi is equal to phi alpha for some alpha belongs to q of w in equation number first, and we have n of alpha less than n of xi. Now, if n of alpha is equal to 1, then alpha is a unity and hence xi is an associate of a prime phi, and hence itself is a prime, a contradiction. So n alpha greater than 1, that is we have obtained n of alpha less than n of xi, and alpha is neither 0 nor unity. So by induction hypothesis, alpha can be written as a product of prime of q of w, say phi 1 phi 2 and so on pi r. That is alpha is equal to phi 1 phi 2 and so on pi r. Hence, from equation number first, we obtain xi is equal to pi, pi 1, pi 2 and so on pi r, where pi, pi 1, pi 2 and so on pi r are prime of qw. Then remark. First, consider 1 minus w belongs to q of w. Then by definition of norm, n of 1 minus w is equal to 3. So by given 1 minus w is a prime of q of w. Second, converse of theorem may not be true, that is norm of a prime of qw may not be rational prime. For example, consider 2 is equal to 2 plus 0 point w belongs to q of w. Then n of 2 is equal to 4, which is not a rational prime, but we show that 2 is a prime of q of w. Let 2 is equal to a plus bw into c plus dw. This implies n of a plus bw into n of c plus dw is equal to 4. Let, if possible, n of alpha n of a plus bw is equal to plus minus 2. This implies a square minus ab plus b square is equal to plus minus 2. This implies 2a minus b का whole square plus 3b square is equal to plus minus 8, which is impossible. That is n of a plus bw not equal to plus minus 2. Similarly, n of c plus dw not equal to plus minus 2. Hence, one of these must by 1 and other is 4. That is, one of a plus bw and c plus dw is unity, and hence 2 is a prime of q of w. Thank you.